it came. My Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box came a lot earlier than I was expecting. I had like the alert set on and everything, and I got this delivered, and it wasn't until like 4 hours later then it was like, oh, your package shipped. And I'm like, I got it. Either way, it's here, and this is the video I want to start my channel off with, because why the flip not? It's Jeffree Star, okay? Leave me alone. Okay, so let's just dive right into this box. I got the deluxe box, so there was 3 boxes, the premium, the deluxe, and then I forget what the other one was called. It was like the super big boy. This one came to around $89 and some change total. So very excited about it. I've gotten Jeffree Star boxes in the past, but I've always gotten the littler ones. So to get a big one today is really exciting. Right off the bat, you can see, oh goodness gracious. They have it packaged with tissue paper, and I'm so excited about it. First, there are 2 things I knew that was coming in the box. Because I follow him on Instagram and Snapchat, so I stay up to date on my stuff. But I knew that a t-shirt was coming, and I knew that a mirror was coming. So let's go these out of the way here. This is the t-shirt. I got a size small. They have it wrapped in plastic. But I have a size small, and my cats are trying to barge through the door. Say hi, Jinx. This is what you get for wanting to be in the room. Back to the box. This is the shirt. I got it in a size small. It says can't relate, and it has like him snapping his fingers, but they're skeleton fingers. So it's super cute. Really excited about it. Just a basic cotton t-shirt. Next, the other thing that I knew was going to be in the box was the mirror, which I'm super excited about. I've never had a Jeffree Star mirror before, but you know how iconic they are, like, duh. From his Instagram, it was supposed to be the orange and black one, which it is. Oh my God, how cute! Am I the next Jeffree Star? So this is the mirror. You guys have seen these probably everywhere, but it's just the orange mirror with the black lettering, and then obviously the mirror on the other side. I'm not going to turn it around because if you saw how you were set up right now. So that was the shirt, and then the mirror. Really excited about that. But those were the 2 items I knew were gonna be in the box, so I was expecting them. I was already excited about them, but what I'm really excited about is the makeup. So the first thing I see right off the bat is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost. I have one of these already, which I already love. These I normally use more in the summertime, because that's when my skin kind of acts the best with them. Normally in the wintertime, liquid highlighters just do weird things on my skin, so I try to stick away from them during winter. But this will definitely be a perfect summer color. It's in the color Goddess, which is a really, really pretty bronzy shade. Okay, yes, I don't know. Do I want to do this? We'll see. Oh, got it on my shirt. Okay, but from the little that came out, it is a really pretty bronze, and it does have really nice chunks of big sparkle in it. So that'll be so pretty during the summertime. Again, not something I'm gonna wear in the wintertime, but it will definitely get a lot of use in the summer. Why am I sweating like a pig? I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. So moving on, the next thing I'm seeing is the gloss, which I'm not a big gloss fan, but if it's Jeffree Star, I will literally wear anything he gives me. And the packaging is just 10 out of 10. Like, who doesn't want this sitting on their vanity shelf? I got the color Crystal Climax, which pairing well with the liquid highlighter is a really pretty bronze shade with almost hints of pink to it. Oh wow, it's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. Definitely gorgeous. I'm really excited to see how that looks on the lips themselves, but overall, really excited. So next, what I'm seeing is a liquid lipstick, which is probably one of my favorite things in the Jeffree Star collection. I think it's everybody's favorite thing. He has such an amazing formula that can last on your lips. You can reapply without it crumbling up, and it doesn't really dry it out super, super bad. So this looks like it's from his regular collection. It's in the color Soft Serve. I also really appreciate that he puts colors that are very wearable in it, as well as colors that are known to be in the Jeffree Star collection, like the really vibrant colors. But to have a nice peachy pink come in it as well is really nice. So that's definitely something that will get a lot of use out of it. So next, what I'm really excited about is a lip ammunition, which normally I hate bullet lipsticks, and it really wasn't until my first mystery box from Jeffree Star that I fell in love with them. I think his formula is just something to be, there's something to be said about his formula, is what I'm trying to say. It goes on so well, it lasts all day, and it doesn't slip around like most bullet lipsticks I've had in the past do. So this looks like it came from his Jawbreaker collection, which is really cool because that is his most recent collection. This is in the color Candy Freeze, and it is in the lime green bullet. Oh my gosh! So this is absolutely stunning. Oh, okay. Now I really actually like this because it's a lot more wearable than I was expecting it to be. Wow! It like shears out to be a really pretty all over the lips shimmer. Okay. Okay, I love this. It looks really cute with my sunburn that I have going on, but so this is really pretty. It's just a really nice sheer but glitter packed Barbie pink. There are two things left in this box. This is a skin frost that was exclusive to this box, and it's called the Mystery Frost. And this will be my first skin frost, so I'm so excited about this. I was really hoping to get a powder highlight in this box, which I did. And so that is the packaging. It's still the iconic pink packaging. They didn't change that, but it is Mystery Frost on the back. And oh crap, I swatched before I showed you. Okay, I'm terrible at this, but this is what it looks like. It's this really pretty, almost champagne, pinky champagne color with bronzy tones and even speckles of black in it, which turns out to make it a really pretty champagne color. And those black bits almost make it cool tone. I don't know if you can see any of what I'm doing on this arm right here, but in real life, it's gorgeous. Last but not least in the box is in this bubble wrap little packaging. I'm really interested because it's obviously not a skin frost because it's super big, so I have a feeling it might be on palette. Oh. The Mini Breaker palette. I actually can't believe this. It's the Mini Breaker palette. Pretty stoked about this. I didn't get anything from this collection, so to actually have the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette is not mad about it. This is the inside of the palette. I'm sure you guys all know what it looks like. It has beautiful purples, beautiful pinks, some oranges, and a really cool, almost like taupey brown shade. Really, really excited to try this. I don't even want to mess up the J's in this palette like I already did with the Skin Frost. Girl didn't give a shit about that. So the one I'm really, really drawn to is this Orange Crush one. So this is where he says is the best. Are you? All right, we're gonna do another one. Oh, stop this. Okay, and then I need to try one of his metallics. Okay, let's go into Oral. Stop. Well, that's it. I mean, I think this is a hit of a video if you ask me. Like freaking, honestly, overall, I think these boxes are a great bang for your buck when it comes to the products you're getting, the amount you're getting, and just anything combined. If you're okay with going into it blind, I think this is the best way to shop Jeffree Star. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I know I personally have never shopped other than the mystery boxes because he has so many things that I want and I can never just pick one or two things. So to have somebody else pick it for me and put it in a box and me pay a lower cost than what all these products would be together, it just makes sense for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely will be putting more videos out. I'm hoping to get one up every single week. Everything from makeup to testing Facebook ads to trying the world's hottest whatever. I'm gonna be here. I hope you guys decide to give me a follow, and for all my 1 subscriber out there, me, tell me what you want to see down in the comments below and shoot me up a thumbs up. Hit me up a thumbs up. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and bye.